I recently had the opportunity to speak with a senior partner at a law firm, and I asked him, what would you say is the spot that's tricky or problematic for young lawyers when they're learning how to delegate? And he had a tough time pinning on any particular spot. He said, you know what, delegating is really tough. It takes a while to learn it. And I agree with him 100%. All the research shows that delegating is something most people develop over a long period of time. But as a trainer and as a company who helps people be productive and do great things, we broke it down into a formula, and we call it the art of delegating. When we say art, it really sounds like developing a degree of mastery, right? So it does make sense that it would take time, but I like to simmer things down and make things simple. So we break it down into ART, A-R-T, and that is assign, review, and teach. And by applying the art of delegating, it's 3 simple steps. You'll be well on your way to learning how to delegate and doing it well.